So we are out here on this incredibly beautiful day, straight up dubs, amazing setup. We've got this Volkswagen camper van behind us, looks absolutely incredible. But look at this weather. This is the end of May, can you believe it? And it is pouring rain, absolutely pouring rain. But we have a bunch of hardcore photographers out with us today. Mark's been out holding the umbrella for everybody. Man, but so far it's just been awesome. Can't wait to get inside and shoot some other stuff, but we got a great selection of vehicles, and just gonna be a cool, cool day. Right here. That's nice stuff. Yeah, nice stuff.
No, you're looking that way.
Okay. But like, there you go.
I think this one will do. They probably wouldn't mind if I took it home. You just gotta, oh, it does have the key in it.
Start it up and go.
Exactly. It's pretty tight up here though. Like,
I'm using this to just kind of light everything up hard here, but then I'm lighting with a strip box, which I would rather use. I'm going to probably put my big soft box, but I did the strip because I want to light it from there. Man, that was a fun day.
That was an incredible day.
But it is a hard day. Shooting cars, trying to light a car separately from a person is really difficult to do.
Well, you know, we were kind of challenged with the weather, right? We were, you know, we planned this months ago. And of course,
Who would think
the weather.
towards the end of May that we would have
So
pouring rain?
We had all this stuff set up for outside. You know, you saw it earlier, just hanging outside. So we had to pull everything inside. But I think we got some great stuff, and it's actually really good because we slowed way, way down.
Yeah.
But made the day great, and I think people learned a ton.
Exactly.
A ton. I even learned some stuff.
Yep. No, and the biggest thing is with cars, it's those reflections that kill you, and where to place a light. And then when you start getting a subject involved in it too at the same time, you want to light your subject, and then you got the reflections of the light that are lighting them. So it's fun.
You have to be very, very reflective for your reflection.
So if we reflect on the day,
Yes.
it was a great day. It was a good day to just try to figure things out.
And man, big thank you to Joey.
Oh gosh,
and
Straight
Jen,
Up
his
Dubs
wife, Straight
is
Up Dubs.
amazing.
Just a great, great place out here in Harold, California.
Yeah.
If you're into Volkswagens, come and visit Joey. This guy is,
That's right.
he's the bomb diddly.
It is. And this is a Volkswagen
This is-
enthusiast playground.
This is a dream man cave, I tell you, this place. But yeah, really, really fun day. So that's all I got.
That's all I
I'm
got.
gonna go take a few more
Let's
pictures
go
before I
take.
leave.
I haven't shot in the paint booth yet.
Okay. Set it.